Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Steam. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you already have the Steam application installed on your system, then just go ahead and open it up. Now, once the application is fully opened up, you can simply click on the Steam option at the top left corner and then click on Settings. Now, from the Settings page, in order to change your password, just click on the Security option, and then within the Security page, you will find the Change Password button. Just go ahead and click on it, and you will now be taken into the Steam password change page. Now, first of all, you will need to verify your identity through an email verification code. Just click on the Email Verification option, and then you will be asked to enter this code that you received. So just go ahead and check your inbox, and you will find an email from Steam which contains your verification code. So just copy this code and then paste it in the verification box, and then click on the Continue button, and you will be allowed to create your new password. Just type in your desired new password and click on the Continue button, and your password will successfully be changed on Steam. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.